Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Honda CB500F. This lightweight naked sport bike just arrived with only 11,500 miles. Beautiful metallic blue, fuel injected, liquid cooled. It's got those adjustable anodized red levers, ABS brakes. Come on by and make your lightweight naked sport bike twin cylinder dreams come true with this gorgeous Honda CB500F with ABS. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.